If you've ever looked in the mirror and wished for hair that was longer, shinier, or stronger, you're not alone. In the world of beauty, hair care can often feel overwhelming and expensive, filled with chemical treatments, endless salon visits, and products that promise miracles but deliver little. But what if the answer to your hair woes isn't hidden in a pricey bottle or behind the doors of a fancy salon? What if the secret to healthier, shinier, faster-growing hair has been sitting in your kitchen this whole time? Welcome to the world of rice water, an ancient beauty secret passed down through generations that's now gaining global attention for its incredible effects on hair. In recent years, the internet and beauty experts alike have been buzzing about the miraculous benefits of rice water for hair. From influencers on Instagram to dermatologists and natural beauty bloggers, everyone is talking about how this simple, nutrient-rich liquid can transform hair from dull to dazzling. But this is no passing trend. The use of rice water dates back centuries, particularly to ancient Japan, where the Yao women of Huangluo village, famously known for their extremely long, shiny, and youthful-looking hair, have sworn by rice water rinses as a staple of their hair care routine. Even at advanced ages, these women boast jet-black, floor-length hair with minimal signs of aging or damage, attributing much of this to the consistent use of fermented rice water. So, what exactly is rice water, and how can it work such magic on your hair? Rice water is the starchy, cloudy liquid left over after soaking or boiling rice. While it may seem unremarkable at first glance, this water is loaded with essential nutrients including amino acids, antioxidants, B vitamins like niacin and biotin, minerals such as magnesium and selenium, and most notably, inositol, a powerful carbohydrate compound known for strengthening hair and protecting it from damage. When applied to the hair and scalp, rice water penetrates deep into the hair shaft, filling in cracks, restoring moisture, and fortifying weak strands from the inside out. But the beauty of rice water goes far beyond just nutrients. What makes it so unique is its versatility and compatibility with nearly every hair type. Whether you have straight, wavy, curly, or coily hair, or you're dealing with damage, dryness, frizz, or slow growth, rice water can offer targeted support that addresses your specific concerns. And unlike many commercial products, it's free of parabens, sulfates, and synthetic ingredients that can strip your hair or irritate your scalp. To make rice water at home is simple, affordable, and requires no fancy tools. There are several methods, but the most popular and effective are soaking, boiling, and fermenting. The soaking method involves rinsing half a cup of uncooked white rice to remove dirt or impurities, then combining it with 2 to 3 cups of water and allowing it to sit for 30 minutes. After that, the liquid is strained into a clean container and is ready to use. For a more potent version, the fermented method involves leaving the soaked rice water at room temperature for 24 to 48 hours, allowing beneficial bacteria and enzymes to develop. This fermentation process enhances the water's antioxidant and nourishing properties, making it even more effective in supporting scalp health and hair growth. However, because fermented rice water is more concentrated, it should be diluted with an equal amount of clean water before applying it to avoid protein overload. Once your rice water is ready, there are a variety of ways to use it depending on your needs. Many people start with a simple rinse. After shampooing your hair, pour the rice water over your strands, massaging it gently into your scalp, then letting it sit for 10 to 20 minutes before rinsing it out. This method helps to close the hair cuticles, enhance shine, and reduce frizz. If you're looking for daily nourishment or a lightweight leave-in treatment, you can pour rice water into a spray bottle and use it as a mist throughout the week. Some even mix it with aloe vera gel or a few drops of essential oil like rosemary, lavender, or peppermint for added hydration and scalp stimulation. The result? Hair that feels softer, looks glossier, and becomes noticeably stronger with each use. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. But like any natural treatment, consistency is key. While some people notice an immediate improvement in the texture and appearance of their hair, The full benefits of rice water are best seen after a few weeks of regular use. It's typically recommended to use it once or twice a week, especially for those with protein-sensitive or low-porosity hair. Overuse can sometimes lead to buildup or stiffness, so it's important to listen to your hair and adjust your routine accordingly. Incorporating a gentle, clarifying shampoo and deep conditioner once in a while can help maintain balance and keep your scalp healthy. One of the most exciting benefits of rice water is its ability to promote faster hair growth. This isn't just anecdotal. Many of the nutrients in rice water, particularly inositol, have been studied for their ability to stimulate cell regeneration and improve blood circulation to the scalp. A healthy scalp creates the ideal environment for hair follicles to thrive, which in turn can lead to longer, thicker hair over time. Plus, because rice water strengthens hair from root to tip, it helps reduce breakage and split ends, two of the biggest obstacles to retaining length. Aside from hair growth and shine, many users also report improved scalp health. If you struggle with dandruff, itchiness, or inflammation, rice water's soothing and anti-inflammatory properties may help restore balance to your scalp's microbiome. In fact, fermented rice water contains a mild amount of good bacteria and yeast, which can help outcompete harmful microbes and promote a healthier scalp environment overall. It's also worth noting that rice water isn't just for women. Men experiencing hair thinning or scalp issues can benefit as well. The natural ingredients are gentle enough for frequent use and can easily be integrated into a basic grooming routine without much fuss. Of course, no hair treatment is one size fits all, and results will vary depending on your hair's porosity, thickness, and condition. But rice water's appeal lies in its simplicity, accessibility, and the centuries of proven use behind it. Whether you're transitioning to natural hair, recovering from heat or color damage, or simply looking to add more shine and softness, rice water is a powerful, holistic solution that works in harmony with your body's natural processes. Now that you know the secrets behind rice water for healthy, shiny hair, it's time to give it a try for yourself. Don't just think about it. Take action today. Start by grabbing a handful of rice from your kitchen and follow the steps above to create your first batch of rice water. Whether you choose to soak it overnight or experiment with fermentation, you'll be amazed at how easy and rewarding this DIY hair treatment can be. Document your progress, take before and after photos, and watch your hair begin to transform with each wash. Better yet, share your journey with friends or on social media. You might just inspire someone else to embrace the rice water revolution. Your dream hair is just a rinse away. Start today and unlock the radiant, resilient hair you deserve. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.